Hey YouTube, another super exciting installment on the cabin build. Okay, so anyway, we're doing a windowsill. So I got some really nice boards here for the window liner. And I just got a table saw them to 5- or 4 15/16. Now we'll sand them. So we're using oil-based stain, so you have to take the mill glaze off of the boards you buy, like from Home Depot or a lumberyard. Because when the lumberyard makes the boards, a lot of times they put a waxy film on. Oil stain doesn't penetrate. Okay, look at this board, freshly sanded, nice and smooth. And then this board, right beside, is kind of like has a slippery surface. That means there's some kind of either lubricant on the cutting equipment or a waxy kind of sealer put on. And you'll see it, as soon as I sand it off, it'll turn like this one. There. There, now the glaze is off both these. And you can see this one needs to be sanded. This is an 18 gauge nailer that shoots 18 gauge brad nails. And I modified the tip so it would have a very small imprint. And if you look, the holes are just dots. And adjust the liner with a screwdriver, because you don't want to adjust the liner with your finger. So we went to Home Depot, digging through their big pile to find really nice 1x4s in the common section. Sand the glaze off again. Everything's on corduroy wheels. Just to make sure the front reveal is nice and straight. Now measure for your headers. 54 minus. Oh, look at that, 54 minus. So 53 and 15/16 for you purists. We try to write that down 100 times. Just like that. It's that easy. Shell buzzy. There you go, I'll see that. Okay, it's not that difficult. There, that's the Redneck version. Woo!